Have a look now on the top section. A large disc-shaped object just appearing above over the volcano Colimo. I'm going to rewind them now, and you can see on a enlarged version here they appearing, here they disappearing, and here this object looks like it. Look at the shape of this object. Look at the energy around the cloth. And look at the shape of this object. You can see now how they're going to disappearing. Please guys, rating my video, like it, and subscribe to my channel. And please make your comment. It's very hard to capture the right moment on a camera. Marha nehéz az ilyet elkapni. It's very hard to get it. Just have a look in the left side, the bottom. The cigar-shaped, large cigar-shaped object appearing. Just have a look now. And just go behind the mountain. It's a daylight footage, 7:08 p.m. And go down slowly. I like to find out what's going on around the volcano, because that's a week time or something, or 2 weeks, and too many sightings around the volcano. That's now that Tianguish, Monaco. And just have a look on the left side, bottom of the volcano, the large cigar-shaped object just coming out, just coming now. I don't think so any helicopter or aeroplane coming in that slow to the volcano side. I'm going to rewind them now and enlarging, and I make it frame by frame. Another one just pop out, just coming now from the same way. It's now a different shape of this object and a little bit higher up. Just wondering what's going on, what happened. The time is 11:42 p.m. at midnight, at night. And stop, stationary and gone. Just I'm going to zoom on it now and I try to enlarging. So you can see, guys, here this object looks like it. And just have a look now, frame by frame. That's very large object. Just I would like to find out what they're doing. That's possible the Mayas is coming back to look after those territory. Who knows? That's frame by frame, guys. It's very weird, guys. I'm going to enlarging again. Just I'm going to zoom on it now, and I try to enlarging. So you can see, guys, here this object looks like it. And just have a look now, frame by frame. That's very large object. Just I would like to find out what they're doing. That's possible the Mayas is coming back to look after those territory. Who knows? That's frame by frame, guys. It's very weird, guys. I'm going to enlarging again. That's the enlarged version. Have a look now, the shape of this object. And now, just I would like to show you that very strange triangular shape, like a cloud or something else, who knows. They always, all night, it's on like that. And just have a look now, how they're appearing, how this one looks like it. It's very weird, very, very strange, very weird. Straight line. That's before this object. That's a daytime, 6 o'clock afternoon. Just I do frame by frame. And that strange shape is still on. The straight line just above the volcano. Have a look now how this one looks like it. A strange cloud formation. It's all night on. You can see the side. It's right above the volcano. It's very weird, the cloud formation. You can see the cloud formation again. What is it? And now I'm going to concentrating only that object that's coming from the left side of the volcano. And now just I would like to show you that very strange triangular shape, like a cloud or something else, who knows. They always, all night, it's on like that. And just have a look now, how they're appearing, how this one looks like it. It's very weird, very, very strange, very weird. Straight line. That's before this object. That's a daytime, 6 o'clock afternoon. Just I do frame by frame. And that strange shape is still on. The straight line just above the volcano. Have a look now how this one looks like it. A strange cloud formation. It's all night on. You can see the side. It's right above the volcano. It's very weird, the cloud formation. You can see the cloud formation again. What is it? And now I'm going to concentrating only that object that's coming from the left side of the volcano. Have a look now, just here, where the cursor is. And just have a look now, a strange cloud formation. Just above the volcano, but I captured them in the daytime. Look at him, that strange triangular shaped cloud formation. Or, who knows? Just right above the volcano. That here this could happen, the daytime captured that's exactly the same as right above the volcano, the crater. This strange cloud formation, or who knows, you can figure it out. Just right above the volcano. or the large triangular shape object above the volcano and suck the plasma air, or who knows. It's, to me, it looks like a cloud, but that's a very, very strange shape of the cloud, and daytime and nighttime exactly same shape. But have a look again, strange cloud formation. Right above the volcano. And look at it, that very bright lights. I move the camera back again. Have a look now. The UFO just came out. That time now, 42 past 11 or 42 past 10. Just have a look now, here this object appearing, here this object looks like it. I'm going to zoom on it a little bit, and you can see the shape of this object. Just like concentrating on this object. It's very weird what you can see now. I'm going to show you now. It's the original. Thank you guys to watch my video. Please make your comment, rating my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Just have a look now. This shape, that's a cloud formation or something. It's very, very weird. Look at it, that's the shape of this cloud. It's very, very weird, guys. Just figure it out. What is it? It's very weird. Just have a look now. It's very, very weird, that cloud formation. Or who knows? Just have a look now. This shape, that's a cloud formation or something. It's very, very weird. Look at that shape of this cloud. It's very, very weird, guys. Just figure it out. What is it? It's very weird. Just have a look now. It's very, very weird, that cloud formation. Or who knows? Stop stationary. And look at now that this large object just goes behind the mountain. Just wondering they came another side too and go on. And just move the camera now. The wheel came out another side. It is neon decanite. It's very large cigar-shaped object. I'm going to enlarging a little bit too. You can see the size and the shape of this object. Stop stationary. Just watch, guys, the full eruption. And this happened just right now. And you can see when I'm watching this time, the right side of the bottom volcano, now it's erupted. And look at what happened. And looking in the right side of the volcano, I'm going to rewind them now, and you can watch the cigar-shaped object just heading down, just coming down. Just have a look now, watching the right side of the volcano. I do frame by frame now. Now, you can see now the UFO is just coming down. Just have a look now, watching the right side of the volcano. I do frame by frame now. Now, you can see now the UFO is just coming down. I do now frame by frame, and just watch it, guys. The UFO, it was just bottom of the, very close to the volcano. You can see now the UFO heading down. Just watch here, where the cursor is. And soon after soon after this, you can see the UFO heading down. That's coming down. It was very fast. And watch what happened after this. There's a large UFO coming from left side of the screen. Please guys, watch a full video, make your comment on my video and rating my video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. And soon after soon after this, you can see the UFO heading down. That's coming down. It was very fast. And watch what happened after this. There's a large UFO coming from left side of the screen. Please guys, watch a full video, make your comment on my video and rating my video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Just have a look now. The large object is just appearing. And they're going behind the mountain. I'm going to do rewind them very soon and enlarging on this, and you can analyze, you can see how they changing a shape, how they fly, how they looks like it. I'm going to enlarging and make frame by frame. I'm going to enlarging now and I'm concentrating this large object. Just have a look now, this large object is flying down to the crater after the eruption, and just have a look. I'm making the now, this moment I'm making the original speed, a little bit jerky because that's the web camera, the live stream web camera show up like that. Have a look now how this object is flying down, coming down. I think I don't have to make a frame by frame because that looks like frame by frame. I try to make a little bit more larger, so you can see. Maybe a little bit more for it. And I'm going to zoom out and you can see the original, not the enlarged version, just how they looks like. And go behind the mountain. I move out to on the side and you can see now very soon the UFO just coming from left. And go behind the mountain or another side of the mountain. The 4 minutes later after the eruption, the UFO appearing now. I'm going to zoom on it, stop stationary. And this object is go behind the mountain, another side of the mountain. I go to make a little bit larger so you can analyze, you can see how they looks like, how they're changing the shape. The video is jerky a little bit because that's the web camera, the live stream web camera show up. They like that. Stop stationary and moving down. I zoom on it now. Now I'm going to show you now the original speed but larger screen. You can see energy around the craft. This looks like in the disc shape, saucer shape of object. And gone. You can see now how they fly, how they changing shape. I'm making the frame by frame now. you can see the massive energy around the craft. I'm moving the camera a little bit more low. Looks like a disc shape of this object, and look at the black dot and the bottom, that's an energy source from the craft. It's frame by frame, guys. I'm going to moving a camera. Stop stationary and go on the other side of the mountain.